Have you ever felt excited while solving puzzles or tricky games? What if I told you that movement can do the same? Yes, dance movements are that powerful. Today, in this episode, I will show you mind bending games through movement that will boost your mental functions. So, follow the episode till the end to dive into the world of excitement through movement. Hello, friends. How are you? I'm curious to know how your simple dance sessions went all the week. Did you practice it? How did you feel after practice? Was it very charming? Was it very inspiring? Today we will do something very exciting. We will play some games based on that small movements. These small games are mainly targeted for your mental functionings through the movements. So it doesn't matter if you do the movement correctly or not. I want to mean if you really follow the nuances of the movements, whether it is heel or toe or the exact hand gestures or the facial expression, but it is the nuances of the spatiotemporal orientation. So what it means that where you are standing while dancing the first pose, and then where you are going, is it your right hand coordinating with the left feet or vice versa. So these things we will work it together. So it will improve your focusing power as well as problem solving skill. So once you do these exercises and you keep on practicing some similar challenges through movements, it will enhance your logical reasoning, focusing power, attention spans, and of course it will give you a refreshment that yes, you have solved a puzzle. So without further delay, let's directly dive into the gaming session. Today we will play some interesting games. We will move ourselves, but we will keep on tracking where we are moving and with what side. So the first challenge, the first game is making some simple movements like heel flat flat, heel flat flat, heel flat flat, heel flat flat. Simple movement, and making that with the Mayurasa, holding the thumb and the ring finger together. So how is the movement? Tat tat thay, tat tat thay, tat tat thay, tat tat thay. You can either do like in a standing position, or since it's a very typical posture from Odissi. So if I talk about the original posture, it will be like tat tat thay, tat tat thay, tat tat thay, tat tat thay. Since here we are not focusing on the aesthetic nuances of any dance form, we just need to move ourselves in a mindful orientation. So we will just focus on the feet, on the foot movement, which is heel flat flat, and the hand like once down, then up, then right, then left, and the here foot will continue like heel flat flat, heel flat flat, heel flat flat, heel flat flat. So what we will do, we will take turn, we will make a 360-degree turn, but skipping some sides. How it is? First we will go in front, then we will skip two sides. So I will skip it here and the back. I will directly turn to left, and then in the left I will again do 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 3. Then I will again skip two sides. So front and right will be skipped. I will turn to back. 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3. Then I will again skip two sides. That means left and front, and I will turn to right. 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3. Now I will finish it with 2 times. So I will skip back and left, and I will come to front. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So it's a complete 360-degree rotation, but it's not a continuous rotation. We are facing front, skipping side, and then turning to the other side. So let's do it. The next challenge is to coordinate your lower limb movement with the upper limb movement. In a simple way, to coordinate your footwork with the hand movement. How it is the same heel flat, flat, heel flat, flat. But we will take our right hand up, right hand down, left hand up, left hand down. The people who are left dominated, they can start with the left hand and left foot. But the twist is when you take the second turn. How it is? Right, flat, flat, left, flat, flat. Now, when I take the left hand up, I will also take the right instead of left. So this is the challenge. 3 and 1, 2, 3. For the left-handed people, you can start from the left hand side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then when you take the right, it is again your left foot which is in heel position. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So even when you are taking right with the right, when you are taking left, it will be the right again. So if we want to make an equation of it, our foot will always have this heel flap movement in a continuous manner, and our hands will go up and down in an alternative way. So in a way, the foot movement is dissociated from the hand movement. We do not have a synchrony, but in another sense, it is always a synchronous system that is taking the whole thing together to make the action. So you are challenging your brain with two conflicting situations and trying to make a unified approach to solve it. So it will improve your brain functions to help you to critically think, to become more attentive, and to make problem solution strategies. So let's do it. The challenge will be to take 8 counts up, 8 counts down. How it is, take a look and then try by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 8. How were the games today? Was it interesting? Was it challenging? Was it difficult at all? It may be a little bit difficult, but if you practice it, it will be simple. And then you will be able to challenge yourself with the next level of difficulty. And that is our aim, to challenge ourselves and to get the better version of ourselves. For this week, you can practice the basic dance steps that I showed you in the previous episode, and you can also challenge yourself with today's tasks, and you are free to improvise it for further challenging yourself. We meet next week. Till then, practice this once, follow my channel. If you are a new viewer from today, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And if any one of you have any query, feel free to contact me through email. My email address is motionmindshubhamita@gmail.com. It is given in the description as well as scrolling through the window now. So, till the next week, we practice the basic footsteps, we do challenge ourselves with new goals, and we meet next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.